And V0 is coming in hot with many great updates this week. And one of them that I just discovered is that you can select a specific element and make changes to that specific element, therefore saving you some time and effort on trying to tell the AI exactly what you need to get done. Let me show you how you can do that yourself. All right, so I'm working on this dashboard that is going to be for a directory SAS that I'm working on. I'm just playing around with it. But as you can see, there are some issues with the graphs. They don't look good at all, like they are overblown. So we need to fix that and make sure that it's within where it needs to be. Now, just to be completely transparent with you, this is the first time that I'm doing this. So please bear with me as we experiment and go through this process, okay? I'm going to go back to V0, and here we have on the graph. What we're going to do is the first thing that I want to do is we're going to select this, and the like this is on row on this dashboard. Let's see how it goes. Perhaps I could have been a little bit more specific, but we're going to see how it does and go back and see if we need to make any other changes to the layout or if we need to adjust from there and see exactly how it needs to be. So it's loading back up. Let's go back to the dashboard. And yeah, it did exactly what I asked it to do. And that fixed the issue for the graph. What we're going to do here is we're going to, again, it's a little bit difficult to select the right one. Please make this row. I'm going to send that. Let it do its magic, and we're going to see how we're doing after that one. It's worth mentioning that I just upgraded to the paid version. Now I have a little bit more limits, better limits, so I can make more videos. All right, so there was an issue. We're going to reload it and see. Yep, all right, it's there. And let's see if it did it. All right, yeah, it did it. So we're going to do the same thing for this one. Or just going to paste the same prompt. As you can see, I'm not using any elaborated prompt. I'm just asking it to do things just like I would ask any employee. Hey, I need you to do this. Please get it done. And they go on and do it. So nothing special about this. It's just a simple, pretty straightforward process. Now it's loading. Let's take a look and let's make sure that, yep. And all right, we had a dashboard that looks much better. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a look. So some are a little bit bigger than others. So what we're going to do is, it's not the one that I want. Trying to. Well, this is a little bit more difficult than it needs to be. Try to highlight the sidebar when they use print with these smaller 100 pesos. I was thinking, I just want to see like exactly how they're going to look like. All right, so it's redoing the sidebar. Let's make sure that we get what we need. And this is slightly outside the scope of this video, but I just want to have a little bit more real estate on now here on the preview. So okay, there we have it. So it looks a little bit better. Definitely, it could use some adjusting, but that's completely fine. what we're going to do now is another thing that I would like to do is I would like to change the color on the graph to royal yellow. Let's see how it does changing the color from green to royal blue. Then royal blue will go a little bit better for our specific project. And while this is not an actual project that I'm working on, it gives me an idea of how it's going to look like. Mobile menu for this dash. Or at least ask it to create a mobile menu because I need to be able to move around. But if not, we will just go in the preview mode. That's not that big of a deal. So he's recreating everything again, and we should be able to get a mobile menu so we can move on, push forward with this. It did change the color to royal blue as we had requested it. And so it looked now exactly the colors that I wanted. Let's change this one to royal blue again. Change the color of the afternoon. Let's make sure that it's doing it as well. It's not that big of a deal. But as you can see, there are many things that we can change in this using this new feature that is called select. Down here, it's royal blue as well. Now we are within brand and we are able to continue bringing this a little bit closer. We have reached the end of this video, and I really hope that this will be useful for you for editing specific elements within your designs when you are generating projects in V0. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, and at the very least, liking my videos. It helps me reach more people and it triggers the algorithm. So I would really appreciate if you can please consider at least liking my videos. And if you have any requests, please let me know down in the comments below. I will do my best to accommodate your requests for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.